Good morning and welcome to Market Watch Monday. Today we are looking at the top economic releases that will affect the markets this week. German August IFO business climate and US July durable goods orders will be top economic events on Monday. German second quarter gross domestic product and September GfK consumer climate will be in focus in European session on Tuesday. While the highlights of the US session will be releases of US August consumer confidence and American Petroleum Institute weekly crude oil stocks. Australia's second quarter construction work done, July monthly CPI indicator, and the US Energy Information Administration's weekly crude oil inventories will be the most significant economic releases on Wednesday. German July inflation report and Eurozone August economic sentiment will be top economic events of the European session on Thursday. US weekly jobless claims, US preliminary second quarter gross domestic product, July preliminary US goods trade balance, and Japan's Tokyo August consumer price index will be the highlights of the US session. On Friday, Australian July retail sales will be the highlight of the Asian session. German August unemployment and Eurozone August inflation report will be in focus in European session. US July personal consumption expenditure index, August Chicago PMI, August Michigan consumer sentiment, and Canada's second quarter GDP will be the most significant economic releases of the US session. This concludes this week's Market Watch Monday. Don't forget to follow our page and tune in next Monday for your weekly overview of the most important financial news and releases.